going to go ahead and look at this forecast right here. So if you live in this part of the United States, you need to look out. So as you see on the forecast, we're going to see a bunch of... So over here is going to be like really kind of hard rain, but over here there's going to be rain. Over here there's going to be rain. There's going to be a couple tornadoes over here. It could possibly produce a tornado. We're going to go ahead and do these outlines right here. And these over here, over here, over here, over here. If you live in Texas and Oklahoma, go ahead and be weather aware because you are getting tornadoes tonight. We're gonna go ahead and look over by Arkansas. Arkansas doesn't have anything plans for tonight, but we're over here in Texas, and they're gonna have snow, and then we're gonna go over here and have that green over there by Utah and California, by Nevada, Utah, and California. So Nevada, California, and Nevada, just go ahead, be weather aware, because there's gonna be ice, snow, and also go ahead and we're gonna have rain over here, dark rain right here, and then we're gonna move slots. Okay, we're gonna move slots. We're gonna go ahead and move over here. So we're gonna see over here, over by, the atmosphere is kind of changing. So over here, we're gonna see ice in Utah, and then we're gonna have New Mexico, rain, and Colorado, you're gonna have a bunch of rain. Not very hard, just light rain. You'll be fine. Over by Michigan and Wisconsin, Michigan, and that whole state of Michigan, a little bit of Ohio, and New York, you're gonna go ahead and have a little so you just want to know, like, so right here, you know, right here, so that is going to be ice. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, it's going to be ice. Then we're going to move over to states like Louisiana and Texas. So Oklahoma, you're going to have a little bit of rain, light rain. And then if you have any loved ones in those states I just mentioned that are in the black area on the last slot, tell them that there could be a tornado. So just tell them to be weather aware. We're gonna go ahead, see this right there? That is rain, light green. The light green is rain. We're gonna go ahead and see. So states like Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, and around, and then we're gonna see some storms, and then we're gonna have right there, you know, and what was it again? New York, Delaware. You're gonna have rain. So over there, you're just gonna have rain, okay? Nothing serious. But we're gonna look at the dark green. So dark green is Tennessee and Texas, a little bit of Oklahoma, a little bit of Arkansas. a little bit of Alabama, a little bit of Louisiana. That is gonna be like, you can say like kind of, not kind of hard rain, but probably rain, just light rain. And then we're gonna go ahead and have a little bit of Texas. It's gonna have yellow. The yellow means like probably, the yellow means light rain. The yellow means kind of hard rain, so be aware of that. Arkansas, yellow rain. Arkansas, rain, that's kind of hard. Louisiana, rain, that's kind of hard. Mississippi, that rain, that's kind of hard. Alabama, rain, that's kind of hard. Around Georgia, we don't see weather like this around Georgia, but Georgia and Columbia City, we don't see weather around here very often like this, but you have rain. Now we're gonna go to slot 3. We're gonna go ahead and go to slot 3 right here. So we're gonna go ahead and go to this one. Sorry, it messed up. Over here. So if you live in this part of the United States, so you're gonna have very hard rain right here. Very hard rain, very hard rain. Kind of hard, very hard rain, kind of hard, very hard rain, kind of hard rain, kind of hard rain, kind of hard rain over here. Kind of really light rain over here. And then over here, I'd say you've had earthquakes, Texas, and all that. So just be weather aware of that. Goodbye.